don't know where you're having your morning coffee, but I'm having mine in the woods. Why don't you take a look around and see where I'm at? There's planes flying all over the place. It's that time of year. It's time to go high. High up in the hills, get those caribou. Because they've chased all the moose off this river. There's one helicopter, they took in something, some kind of cargo. Somebody's pretty darn serious. I wish I could hire a helicopter or a plane and just have them whoosh me away. Rescued by a helicopter. You know that story they tell about? There's a couple on top of the roof of their house, and there's been a big flood. That's why they're on the top of the house. And they have total faith in God. God will save them. And so they're just waiting it out, praying, and knowing God's got everything under control. And so this boat comes by and says, "Here, God, get in the boat. Get in the boat." They said, No, God will save us. God will save us. And after several moments of trying to persuade this couple into getting into the boat, they leave. And then after some time goes by, a helicopter sees them and lands and tries to pick them up again. They said, No, God's got it under control. God will save us. And the helicopter pilot tried to get him to get in the helicopter, but they declined. And they're praying away, and they have total faith that God is going to save them. But after God sent that boat and that helicopter, he finally said, "What is it going to take? I send you a boat. I send you a helicopter. Why didn't you get in?" I think on this physical earth, we have to take those into account. Physical things like boats and helicopters, because we have this physical body to deal with. And the physical side of the body seems to have needs like eating and sleeping and dreaming. Or is that all a mind game? Something your mind plays at night. Have you ever told your attorney about your dreams? I have. I didn't quite tell him the truth about the dream, though. It wasn't mom-like at all. It meant something different. Well, looky here. Footprints in the sand. Think somebody left their dog out here? They need a toenail trim if they did. It rained last night. Pretty good. You know that other story too? Yes, God. I guess it's that Jesus thing in there this time, though. Why have you not come to rescue me? Save me from my times of trouble. And the person realizes that during that time, it was only one set of footprints. But they weren't his own. But I don't think God can leave footprints, because I don't think he has a physical body. But there's other things that can leave footprints in the sand. Like whatever kind of animal this is. Well, it's got a long toenail there. I would say wolf. Yeah. A little big for a fox. Enough weight for a wolf. I wonder if it looks anything like that.